Well, students, topic of the video is area. Now we have to find the area of the palm portion bounded by xy equals to 4, xy equal to 3 and x-axis. This is equation of rectangular hyperbola. And diagram of this figure is, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, xy equal to 4 like this. X equal to 3, x equal to 5 and x-axis is x-axis. So bounded portion is this one. This is A, B, C, D. So area of the bounded portion A, B, C, D, A is equals to 3 to 4 y dx, because from the curve to x-axis, so it is y dx, and y equals to 4 by x. So 3 to 4 by x dx, because xy equals to 4, so y equals to 4 by x. So area of this 1 by x, integration of 1 by x is log 2 base e mod x in the interval 3 to 4. So 4 log 4 minus log 3. This one equals to base e. This one equals to 4 log 4 by 3 to base e square units. Next sum is, find the area of the bounded portion y equal to x cube, x equal to minus 3, x equal to 3 and x-axis. And diagram of this figure is, this one is x-axis, this one is y-axis. Curve of y equal x cube is like this, and the bounded portion x equal to minus 3 is this one, x equal to minus 3, and x equal to 3 is this one, x equal to 3, and this one is 0. So x equal to minus 3 and x-axis and the curve, this one is shaded region, and x equal to 0, x equal to 3, this one is shaded region. So A, B, O and O, C, D is required shaded region. So area of the total region is O, A, B, O, or we can give another name here. This is a curve portion P, in this curve portion is Q. So this line can be like this: O, P, A, B, O plus O, C, D, Q, O. So this one is also y dx. Why this is y dx? Because this one is curve and y-axis, so y dx, and x-axis, so y dx. So minus 3 to 0 y dx, and 0 to 3 y dx, minus 3 to 0 y dx, so y is x cube dx, and 0 to 3 y dx, so x cube dx. And this one is, area of this one is x to the power 4 by 4 in the interval minus 3 to 0, and this one is x to the power 4 by 4 in the interval 0 to 3. So 0 to the power 4 by 4 minus of minus 3 to the power 4 by 4 plus 3 to the power 4 by 4 minus 0 to the power 4 by 4 equal, this one is 0. 3 to the power 4 is 81 by 4 and this one is 81 by 4 minus 0, but this is a modulus, this is a negative positive 0, so we have to given a modulus sign. So from the starting we are given a modulus sign because this is area can be negative, so from the first I give a modulus sign. Due to this modulus, this one is 81 by 4 and this one is also 81 by 4, so 162 by 4 or 81 by 2 square units. In the next video on this topic we discuss few more sums on area.